In this video we are going to explain you how to use your admin area. Click on Instructions. Here you can find step-by-step instructions for using the initial coin offering script with Binance Smart Contract. Click on Settings. Admin Settings. Here you will decide how your program will run. You can use this section to put your site in maintenance mode, and in this period, only admin will be able to access the admin area. All other features will be disabled. Please enter your currency code like USD or BTC and currency symbol like dollar or B to set your coin's currency for your program. Enter your coin payment merchant ID and IPN secret for instant approval of crypto coins payments. Enter the number of extra merchants accounts that you want to use from 0 to 5. Mailer settings. Select the type of mailer you want to use, regular PHP mailer or advanced SMTP mailer. Captcha security settings. Select what type of captcha security you want to use on your website, regular captcha or Google reCAPTCHA. Sign up details settings. You can show or hide these fields on the join page. If you want to send a confirmation email to verify the user email address, to avoid invalid email addresses, then select yes for the email confirmation required option, otherwise select no. If you want to send an email to a sponsor to notify them that they have a new referral, then select yes in Send Referral Notification Email option, otherwise select no. Modify contract settings. You can update the price of tokens using the below form. Manage emails. Here you can update the email content of various emails such as the confirmation email, welcome email, reset password, etc. Commission settings. Here you can set the commission structure that you want to use for your site, like how much you want to pay in currency and how much in tokens. Manage your pages. Here you can manage your pages like home, FAQ, login, etc., and add new pages to your system. Page successfully added. File Manager. Here you can upload new files or delete the previous uploaded files. News. Here you can post the news updates for your members. Promotional banners. Here you can add, view, delete the banners that you want to provide to your members for promoting your site with their referral URL. Promotional solo ads. Here you can add, edit, delete the solo ads that you want to provide to your members for promoting your site with their referral URL. Promotional splash pages. Here you can add, edit, delete the splash pages that you want to provide to your members for promoting your site with their referral URL. Promotional lead capture pages. Here you can add, edit, delete the lead capture pages that you want to provide to your members for promoting your site with their referral URL. Approved testimonials. This section lets you track the approved testimonials submitted by members. Pending testimonials. This section will show you the list of all pending testimonials, and you can approve them after checking the contents. Generate database backup. This section will let you take database backup from admin area itself. Update system. Here you can find the list of updates that are available for your system. Tools. Marketing tools. Max Viral Marketing is a web application that can allow you to offer various marketing tools like link cloaker, URL rotator, email open rate tracker, splash page builder, and others as a part of your paid membership using Max Viral Marketing API. Send push notifications. Push notifications allow you to stay connected with all desktop and mobile app users with great ease to provide your customers with the best experience so that they can choose your services over and over again. Feedback and exit surveys. Take advantage of real-time data collection via digital surveys, and see your business bloom with real-time reports and unlimited data. List management service. Easily manage your list without using your own server resources to do mailing to your members. Mobile app. Powerful web-based app builder tool for your business that will allow you to turn your website into a seamless, user-friendly Android app. Email validation service. Email Quote is a web application that can verify if an email address is real or fake. You can validate the email addresses of new members joining your website using Email Quote API. Members. Members list or search members. From here you can view, edit, delete the members' records. Free members, pro members, pending email verifications members. From here you can view, edit, delete the members of a particular category who are at free membership status, pro membership status or pending membership status. Top sponsors. Here you can find the list of top 100 members who have referred the maximum number of members to your site. Email users. Use this section for updating your members through email. Message history. Here you can view all the messages sent by you in the past. Registered IPs. Here you can view the list of all username and registered IP addresses. It is used when you have regular two-factor authentication on. Deposits. Approved deposits. Here you can view the list of all the approved deposits in the system. Pending deposits. Here you can view the list of all the pending deposits in the system. Withdrawals. Completed withdrawals. This section provides details of how much you have paid until now, and to which members. Pending withdrawals. This section will show you the list of all pending withdrawals that members have requested, but which have not yet been paid. BNB Must Pay. This section will allow you to process all the pending Binance withdrawals using Coin Payments API. Token transactions. Here you can view the list of all the transactions related to your BEP20 token, like which user got how many tokens on which date. Transaction logs. It is similar to your token transactions, but here you can view the list of all the transactions done including contract price or tokens transferred with date timestamp. Logout. Thanks for watching this video.